Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install. Today's wig is by Ohmypretty Wig. This is their Glueless Kinky Straight HD Lace Closure Wig with pre-plucked edges. Now, although this wig is glueless, you guys, it is 100% secure because it comes with the adjustable elastic band, which is perfect because summertime is right around the corner and you want to make sure that you have something light and convenient on your head. Mind you guys, this wig takes like 30 seconds to install. The one that I'm wearing is a 6x4 closure. I have it in 26 inches and 180% density. As always, I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that came along with this box. My favorite things was of course the HD lace wig caps and this beautiful bonnet. I thought that was super cute. So here's the hair. As I mentioned earlier, this is a kinky straight texture. Now look at this lace, you guys. This lace comes pre-plucked and it also comes pre-cut for you, so it is super convenient. Mind you, that lace is high quality HD lace which fits the skin a lot better and it's easier to melt. The wig cap is a dome cap, which is a lot more breathable and a lot more comfortable on your head. And as I mentioned earlier, it comes with the adjustable elastic band as well. That way you could throw it on and take it off whenever you choose. So you have the freedom to change up your hairstyle whenever you want to. Alright, let's go ahead and jump on into this install. So I did bleach the knots off camera, but I did not do any plucking or any cutting of the lace because it literally comes prepared for you. But as you guys saw earlier, the knots on this wig is super light, so if you want to bleach, it's completely up to you, but you do not have to. So the first thing that I'm doing is adjusting the adjustable strap. I like to make sure my wigs are tight and secure, and I'm sure you guys would like to do the same. But the good thing about the adjustable straps is that if you do have like a larger head, you don't have to worry about the wig not fitting you, or if you have a smaller head, you can tighten the adjustable strap to whichever you're liking to make sure that the wig is super secure. So I'm just fitting the wig to my head right now, just kind of seeing how it's looking, seeing how I like it. Now remember, we are not using any product to secure this wig down. This is going to be 100% glueless and 100% sprayless. So for all my ladies and gents out there, if you are allergic to glue or your skin is super sensitive, you do not have to worry about that with this unit. Plus, it's nice to have that one wig that is light and breathable on your head. So this is definitely a good one to purchase, especially being that summer is right around the corner. Guess what, you guys? The install is done. I told you guys it takes like 30 seconds, which is freaking amazing. Their wigs come pre-customized for the hairline, so you don't need to cut the lace yourself when installing the wig, and of course that saves you a lot of time. The hairline also looks really nice and natural as well. So now I'm just getting the wig prepped for styling, so you guys will see me go back and forth between my wax stick and my hot comb. Now as far as the lace in itself, it is high quality HD lace, which makes it a whole lot easier to blend in with your skin tone, but I'm sure you guys could tell on camera that the lace is just a little bit too white from my skin tone, so I am going to add some foundation to help it blend a lot better. Okay, you guys see that lace? It is looking melted. You cannot even tell that I have a wig on my head, and I did not have to use that much foundation. I only put a little bit just to help the lace blend in a lot more with my skin tone. So now it's time for me to style the rest of this hair, which is going to be easy peasy. So you guys already know this is my favorite part. I love to make sure the top of my wigs are laying completely flat. So I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and then I will also be flat ironing the hair as well. Once we get to that part, I'll give you a little bit more of my opinion as far as the quality of the hair. Alright, both sides are completely flat. I'm sure you guys could see the difference. It looks a lot more believable, you know what I mean? And of course, this is completely glueless, no glue, no spray. So I needed to show you guys once more that I did not add any additional product to make this lace stick. That is just the high quality of this lace and the high quality of this unit overall. The wig is super secure, which is freaking amazing. So now it's time to flat iron the rest of my hair. I'm just spraying some Garnier Fructis spray on this. This is like their Sleek and Shine spray, just to help with any flyaways or anything like that. But I really wanted to talk to you guys about the quality of this hair. First of all, you guys know how I feel about my kinky straight textures. I feel like when it comes to us African American women, these wigs are literally catered to us because it looks extremely natural and it looks extremely believable. Also, I'm really happy at the fact that this wig comes pre-customized for you. The hairline came ready to go. It looked extremely natural. It came pre-plucked and the lace came pre-cut as well, which is a super convenience to all of us because we do not want to spend 2 hours every single day reinstalling our units, and a lot of us do not like to have the wigs on our heads 24/7. So you could take it off and throw it on whenever you choose. If you want to switch it up for a day, you have the freedom to do that. So I love that. Now, as far as the quality of the hair in itself, the quality was amazing. I did not have any issues as far as shedding, any issues as far as tangling. The hair was really light even though it was super full, and it was really easy to work with overall. Also, as far as straightening the hair, I know this is a kinky straight texture. It straightened very, very easily, which of course I was happy with. You do not have to go over the hair a million times to get the texture that you desire. Alright you guys, and that is pretty much it. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know how you feel about glueless kinky straight wigs being the trend right now. I love that for us. And I also love the fact that this wig came ready to go. As I mentioned earlier, summertime is literally right around the corner. You do not want to be walking around sweaty, not being able to itch your scalp, not being able to have your units 100% breathable, because that's not cute, especially in the summertime. So if you're looking for a nice summertime wig, something that you could just throw on and go that comes ready for you to install and it's super convenient, this is the one for you. The direct link to this wig will be at the very top of my description box, as well as all the products that I use. So make sure you guys go ahead and check my description box for all the information that you are looking for. But I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial because I sure did. Y'all know I love me some good kinky straight glueless wigs. Thank you so much for tuning in, and shout out to Ohmypretty Wig for sponsoring today's video. I will see you guys next time.